Hello everyone. Today I'm presenting my implementation plan for a mixed-use transit-oriented development in North Coburg. This project developed in collaboration with Collabs is not just about buildings, it's about creating a resilient, inclusive, and sustainable urban presence that responds to the evolving needs of residents, commuters, and businesses. Let's begin with the problem. In many urban areas, commuting is a daily burden. According to Real Insurance 2022 report, over one-third of the Australians still prefer working entirely from an office, which nearly 30% want a hybrid model. This tells us that physical spaces is still matters, but they need to be better integrated with our lifestyle. Our project addressing this by creating a place where commuting is enjoyable, not endured. Our challenge question was how might we develop a transit-oriented presence in Coburg North that strengthen physically connectivity, social interaction, and cultural assets. This challenge led us to explore not just infrastructure but also human experience, how people move, interact, and feel in urban spaces. The site is strategically located near Merry Creek and Coburg Lake Reserve, with access to three transportation modes: train, tram, and bus. It's zoned for mixed use and designated as a significant change area by Marybeck City Council. The zoning allows for a blend residential, commercial, and community uses, making it ideal for transit-oriented development that support density, diversity, and sustainability. We conducted stakeholders mapping to understand who would be impacted and who holds influence. One of our key personas is Sarah, a 38-year-old resident who loves nature, is active in her community, and value thoughtful improvement. Other stakeholders include future residents, businesses, investors, NGOs, traditional owners, and government bodies. This inclusive approach shaped our design and implementation strategy. Currently, residents experience a disconnected and uninspiring work home from public transit. Our solution envision a vibrant, green, and accessible environment that enhance daily life. We want to turn the commute into positive experience, one that connect people to nature, community, and opportunity. This is the initial concept sketch. It visualizes the transformation from a disconnect, underutilized area into a vibrant transit-oriented neighborhood. The sketch marked the journey from the starting point where the site lacks cohesion to finish. Here, we refine the concept by emphasizing two key design goals. First, creating shorter, more direct pedestrian routes that improve walkability and reduce travel time between transit stops and homes. Second, establishing a vibrant local community hub, a central space that brings together residents, businesses, and visitors. This hub will feature active public spaces, encouraging social interaction, local commerce, and community events. Next, this is the prototype layout which integrate residential, commercial, and community function into cohesive urban fabric. Buildings are connected through shared public spaces and pedestrian pathway, creating a seamless flow between homes, amenities, and green area. Importantly, this design is rooted in transit-oriented development principles. That means we're prioritizing walkability, density, and mixed-use planning around public transport access. By clustering housing and services near transit nodes, we reduce car dependency, encourage active mobility, and support more sustainable urban growth. This prototype reflects our vision of connected, livable, and inclusive neighborhood. This is our development in numbers. Our proposal includes 830 residential unit will consist of studio, one bedroom, and two bedroom apartment. Next is around 13,000 square meter commercial space, and 7,000 square meters of office space, and 6.6 thousand square meters of community facilities, and 13.2 thousand square meters of green open space, all within a 45,000 square meter sites. This mix support a diverse and self-sustaining community to become resilient hub. Next, Collabs partnership. Partnering with Collabs enables us to embed innovation and sustainability. Their contribution includes edible landscape, vermiculture programs, and inclusive tech labs. These partnerships support circular economy startup, biophilic design, and regenerative infrastructure. It also brings global networks and expertise into a local context. Now let's look at the overall construction cost of the project. The total hard construction cost is estimated at $182.4 million. This includes all the physical building works across residential, commercial, office, and community facility component. Breaking it down, the residential component, which is include 830 units across studio, one bedroom, and two bedroom types, account for $101.4 million. This is based on the construction rate of $2.8 thousand per square meter, which is consistent with current mid-rise apartment construction costs in Melbourne. Next, the commercial space, covering over 13,000 square meters, is estimated at $14 million, using a slightly higher rate at $3,000 per square meter due to the need for retail-grade finishes and flexibility. Next, the office space at 7,000 square meters is projected to cost $24.5 million, reflecting a premium rate of $3.5 thousand per square meters to meet modern workplace standard. Finally, the community facility area, which is includes shared amenities and public use infrastructure, is budgeted at $16.5 million, using more modest rate of $2.5 thousand per square meter. With a total development cost of $280.9 million, we project net profit is around $159.8 million. The profit margin is around 57%. The return on cost is 1.57 times, and break even is achieved at 64% sales. Our IRR range from 25 to 27%, with potential to reach 32% in best case scenarios. This financial model is grounded in current market data and offers a strong return for investors. Next is funding sources. Funding is structured as follows. Next, risk management. To ensure the success of this development, we've identified and addressed key risks. First, construction risk, like delay or cost overrun, is managed through fixed price contract and a 5% contingency budget. Next is market risk, such as low unit sales, is mitigated with flexible pricing and early marketing. Next, financial risk is reduced by securing long-term early and leveraging our PPP with Collabs to lower debt exposure. Next, operational risk is addressed by having Collabs manage commercial spaces, ensuring high occupancy and stable revenue. Regulatory risk is minimized through early government engagement and alignment with public objectives. Next, reputation and partnership risks are managed through transparent communication and clear PPP agreement. Overall, our partnership with Collab strengthens our position by sharing investment, reducing exposure, and enhancing stakeholder confidence. Development timeline. So the project will take around 27 months from planning to handover. Next, success metrics. To measure the success of this project, we've set clear targets across financial, operational, and social dimensions. In conclusion, this project is a model for resilient, inclusive, and sustainable urban transformation. By integrating housing, nature, innovation, and community, we aim to create a place where people thrive and city evolve. Thank you for your attention. I welcome your question and feedback.